at the University of Delaware football stadium. That's where they're coming out of right now. Hey! Yes, we're having so much fun here tonight. Yay! Ooh, that building don't sound too good, does it? What's it echoing off the building over there? How's everybody doing out there in YouTube land? We've got fireworks across the street. We've got Mr. Trello Boy sitting over here. Looks like he has an oily face. You. You have an oily face over there. Uh-oh. We got one person coming on here tonight. This is the fireworks display in Newark, the city of Newark, Delaware, over at the University of Delaware football stadium, and you can see them from way over here tonight. Hopefully, if you're enjoying them. That's an airplane going by. Back to the fireworks we go. I'm wondering how long they're going to be. Got a lot of people here tonight watching the fireworks. We just had our dinner here a few minutes ago. Hopefully the finale will be coming soon. Those of you that had your fireworks last night, we always have ours here, close to here every year. I feel like I have dementia. I can't hear my eyes. Ah, yeah. So if you want to go in the chat and say anything. We got bubbles. All right, had a little bit of bubbles there. You get to watch our local fireworks on YouTube Live. I don't think it's the finale yet, ladies and gentlemen, so... Nope, I don't think it's the finale yet.